Today, let's talk about reporting and analytics for the point of sale. These are powerful tools to help you understand the health of your business and understand how you can grow your business or opportunities to increase sales. So, how does that work within the point of sale? Click the top menu and select the option reports. As this loads, we use the Google Analytics and analytics functionality of WooCommerce, allowing you to really understand what type of orders are being placed online and in your store. So for example, here, by default, when you select reports, it loads the orders view, which shows point of sale orders. So for example, in this period of time, we've had 14 orders placed in the point of sale. However, let's see if there's been orders placed online. You can also look to say how many orders have been placed online. We go ahead and toggle that out. There's only been one, so you had 14 orders placed online versus one order placed online. Again, you can just toggle back and forth to say, how do we filter versus point of sale orders that were placed and online orders that are placed. This is the top level, right? So the high level understanding of all orders that have been placed on your specific configuration. However, let's say we want some more information. What's some more information we want? For example, what type of payments have been used? So you go ahead and select this payment option. When it loads by default all payments. So these are all the payments that have been used for processing orders within the point of sale and on your store. However, what if we want to look at one specific payment type? So for example, what if we want to look at cash? All cash that's been paid through on the point of sale. This will quickly load up and look at all the cash that's been paid on the specific orders within the point of sale. However, what if you just want to go deeper, right? More knowledge, the more power you have to run your store. We go ahead and say, how about the stations, right? So this will go ahead and look and say, how many orders were placed across your stations? What's the breakdown of your gross sales, your net sales? It will show the orders that were placed across all your stations. Again, you have the ability to look at all stations, or you can look at specific stations. So included by default, we have two stations. We have the default and the online order station. But as you add more stations, you can also look at those new stations that you add. So we want to go instead, let's look at the specific default point of sale station. And these are all the analytics behind that specific station and all orders that were placed by that station. But let's also say one little last thing. How about the cashiers, right? How about these cashiers that are actually operating within the stations? What if you have multiple cashiers working on this specific one? Let's look at the user level. So this will allow us to look at all users, all cashiers who have actually been operating within your point of sale environment. So you can see these analytics here, but then you can say, okay, I want to actually look at this specific user with their analytics, and you can see, hey, here's the analytics for that specific user. So I'm hopeful that all these analytics, whether or not it's looking at comparing online orders versus point of sale orders, whether or not it's looking at the payments types that are being used, what the analytics on your station, or even analytics on your cashier. This will give you all that powerful data to make more informed business decisions. I hope that helps. Have a great day.